Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add bullet and sub-bullet points in Google Docs. Click in your document where you want the bulleted list to start. You'll see the cursor blinking at that spot. Look up at the top toolbar and click the bulleted list icon. That's the one with a dot and horizontal lines next to it. As soon as you click it, a bullet point appears and the line indents slightly. You can also use the keyboard shortcut instead. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus 8 on Mac. Type your first bullet point. Whatever you write appears right after the bullet symbol. When you're done with that line, press Enter. Google Docs automatically adds a new bullet point on the next line at the same level. Type your second bullet point, then press Enter again. After you press Enter and you're on a new bullet line, press the Tab key. Watch the bullet indent to the right, and the symbol changes, usually from a filled circle to a hollow circle or a different shape. That's your sub-bullet. Type the content for this sub-bullet, then press Enter to add another sub-bullet at the same indented level. Google Docs keeps you at that indentation automatically. To go back to the main bullet level, you've got two options. You can press Shift plus Tab to move the bullet back to the left, or you can just press Enter twice on an empty sub-bullet line. Either way, the bullet moves back to the main level and the symbol changes back to the original style. When you're done with the whole list, press Enter twice at the end of the last bullet point. The cursor drops down to regular text with no bullet. You can also click the bulleted list icon again in the toolbar to turn off the list formatting. Here are a few quick tips. If you want to change the bullet style after you've already made the list, select the bullets, then click the small drop-down arrow next to the bulleted list icon in the toolbar. You'll see different bullet styles to choose from. If you want something more customized, there's a More Bullets option in that same drop-down, where you can pick unusual symbols or even custom characters. And if you need to adjust indentation manually at any point, use the Increase Indent or Decrease Indent buttons in the toolbar. Those are the right-pointing and left-pointing arrow icons. Thanks for watching.